What we try to do with these projects is find new and innovative ways of doing processes that would otherwise be almost mechanical to someone. Once you're a specialist in the industry and you do a job over and over again, you become specialized in that process, but it leads to a stagnation. And what you need is a third-party sort of perspective. We take two things that typically wouldn't work together or wouldn't be thought of to work together, and then we see what we can come up with when we merge the two. In the case of culinary arts, we can take chocolate and a vacuum former and see what happens when we put the two together, along with augmented reality and other digital technologies to make things happen.
Culinary itself is just more about making creativity, and the design is completely different than what would normally make in engineering. Learning about different procedures and making it food safe, that was just a great experience in general.
We get to bring our vision to reality, right? I can have a dream overnight and say, you know what, I want a 3D hawk, a 3D light bulb, and next day, bam, we got it. We've got 3D printers, we got vac formers, and of course we got the best faculty at Humber.
It's really exciting to be collaborating with culinary, the 3D modeling, and the graphic design team on this one big project that we're working on. It opens so many opportunities, not just for myself, but for my fellow classmates in the whole new world of 3D modeling and graphic design to be able to take this and push it forward into the industry after we are finished here at Humber.
Our students now have these ingredients that they can bring into industry and say, hey, we've been doing things the same way over and over for a long time. Now we can disrupt this and make things not only better for the employees, but also better from an industry or a product perspective. These are the projects that really add excitement and add the atmosphere of collaboration and create culture here at Humber. That's why I'm really excited to see these projects and have a part in them.